guys, so I got some new fidget toys from Shan, and I already opened them a couple days ago. So sorry about that, but I'm going to show you them. Hold on, let me find them. I got this one. Okay, this one and this one. Okay, so I got them. So I'll show you them. So first we have a puzzle ball. They're quite hard to use, so I don't know how to use them. But it also spins. Wait, let me spin it. There it was. Sorry, it didn't took long. Then, sorry if you saw a little sneak peek. And then we got a fidget pad. So there's a lot of fidgets. There's even a lot of fidgeting you can do with this. So there's this thing, I forgot what it's called, and then the buttons, and then this thingy. It's like a zipper, and then this twisty thing, and then another thing, but it's textured. This is spinning. I know there's a TikTok trend that you can do. And it clicks, but I don't know. And then this thingy. Also, I'll be rating them in the next video. And there's this thing, by the way. This one is a clicking one. So yeah. Next we got a giant poppet. I know it's big. Look at that. So here's the close side. So yeah, and I'll go pop the rest so you can hear the loud side. You probably heard a bit of it, but I'm still popping them. Hopefully this can go. It won't take really long because I'm kind of fast. Okay, did it. Okay, so go right here. Okay, 3, 2, 1. There's a light side, by the way. So cool. Sorry if I take long, because this is also big. So yeah, those are all the fidgets. So yeah, I'm gonna be rating them at the next video, so stay tuned for those. Bye!